Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be installing clear side reflector lights because the orange and red on this car absolutely look terrible against the purple in my opinion. So I think clear is going to match with the Grand Sport chrome and the silver calipers. I got a good vision coming, but let me show you how to take these out and put the new ones in. First things first, you're gonna wanna turn your wheel inwards so that you can access the 5 T15 screws right here. Now I'm using an impact. Be very careful using an impact, especially tightening them back in. But this is mainly just so I can loosen them and I don't have a T15 wrench. It's not handy, this chuck's broken too. There it goes again. Now that's the 5 screws pulled. Now you will be able to reach around. So just to show you, when you reach your arm in here, you're gonna find these two clipped behind here. You're just pushing this in and this in, and then they come right out and it looks like this. So now before I unplug this harness, I'm just going to leave it there and turn the light on so you can see the before, what it looks like on, and then I'll show you after with the new light plugged in. This is light on before. So the old reflector, it has a little light bulb and it comes like that. So you're gonna wanna take it out, pull the light bulb out, and where that light bulb was is where you wanna plug in the new light. Just like that. And now you use that connector, you plug it into the harness in the car, and if my calculations are correct, this light will shine. Yep. That, let alone the clear, the light itself looks way better than one little dot. And like it's like wasted space. That light looks way better. Now that's what it looks like when it's on and the light is off. It looks so much better. And like I thought, it matches perfectly with the Chrome Grand Sport. Wow, I don't regret that at all. I love that. Now let's repeat that for the other 3 corners. So I just want to show you something funny here. Typical GM fashion. These are not T15s. These are just stars on this side. Okay, that's weird. Well, anyway, let's continue. It's a lot faster with an impact. Yeah, the other ones came with little washers too, not this side. I can still feel the heat from the brakes because I just came back from a good tour. Okay, do a little reach around, pop that guy, pop that guy. Easy as that. Just unscrew, pop out, get the new guy. Satisfaction. Pull that light bulb. And plug in the wrong way. There we go. Plug in the new one. And clip. Way better. Now these rear reflectors are way easier than the fronts. That's because it's just one T15 screw, very tiny so don't lose it, and that pops out the tail light. And all you do is reach in and do the same thing with those tabs. Push that one and push that one. Easy as that. So, unscrew, pop that one out, pull the bulb, peel the film. Oh, that was terrible. Okay, plug it in. Again, wrong way. Plug it in. And snap in. I know the car is dusty. I live on a dirt road. It's terrible for a Corvette. But at least those look cool. Once they're all installed, I will turn them all on. You can see what they look like. The back ones are red, obviously. Same thing as the front, full line. Put that back in there. I do also want to get clear concaved taillights as well. Future mods. And that's it. That was a really fast install. I'm going to pull it out of the garage now and show you the lights in the daytime. just top it off